Okay, let's do the passe parterre, which is really nothing more than walking elegantly. And it's a good practice again for the balance and for turning out. So we'll start again. Actually, let's begin the tendu. So on the preparation, you will already have transferred your weight and you'll be in the point tendu. So you're ready to go. So on count 1, you're going to fondu. On count 2, you raise the leg to your battement dégagé, and then you're going to transfer the weight on a straight leg. Okay, so you're going to step on this leg straight, and now the back leg will be in tendu, right? That's count 4. Then on 5, you can just pull this point to your ankle. So this is the passe part, okay? And you make a little développé. You raise the foot, and then you lower it, and then you lower your arms. Then we're ready to start on the other leg. So this will be 1, fondu, battement 2, step forward 3, balance in the tendu 4, and pull the foot forward 5, make a little développé in the air, and lower the foot, and then lower your arms. Right, so this is the passe. We say passe, either the foot's going from front to back or back to front. But what we can do, because we're just beginning now, we'll leave the foot on the floor, so it's okay, just to help to have more balance and keep more turnout. Okay, and then you make a little, just raise it about 4 inches off the floor and then lower it. Right, okay? All right, why don't you show this? And prepare with the tendu. And fondu, battement, just stay there. And bring the foot. And just stay in tendu, right? Plie, and reach, and place it, good, and here, up, good, arm, good, again, really pointing, good, and you're going to keep your ears up, always stretching up the back of your neck. Good. So what often happens, Isabel, let's just show what happens as you step forward, as you transfer the weight here. So again, we want to be thinking of the ears and shoulders back. So go ahead, take your step, right? Now, especially here, because now your foot's going to go forward. So we need to really think about the head and the neck. So if you can push me a little bit this way as you bring, that's it. Right. Good. Now you can lower the foot and even keep giving me your head. That's it. That's what is the final balance. Right. Good. Okay, then come back. And then let's just focus on your foot, on the shape of your foot. So this is very important here. And I'll just brace you. So just slowly do your passe parterre. So I want you to show how you're bringing your heel forward and up and down. And then Isabella, now go back and do it again, and this time just kind of sickle the foot because they have to know what that looks like. Sometimes they want to bring the toe forward. You see what that looks like? Right, yes. So just do it again. So I'm thinking also actually you're bringing your ankle bone forward, pointing, bring the ankle bone, right. And that's what gives you a beautifully shaped foot like that. Good. Prepare with the tendu, and fondu, battement, just stay there, and bring the foot, and just stay in tendu, right? Plie, and reach, and place it, good, and here, up, good, arm, good, again, really pointing, keep your ears up, always stretching up the back of your neck. Good. And rest. Good.